Hey everyone, this is me Doris. Today I'm going to show some common grammar mistakes in IELTS writing. After having a great exam, we are getting poor score only for some silly mistakes. So I think now it's time to correct yourself. So let's start. Today I'm going to show 5 common grammar mistakes in IELTS writing. First one is using contractions. Most of the time we like to use can't, don't, or we like to use I'll see, like it's done. But as is a formal test, you cannot write like this. So you have to write the full form, like cannot you instead of can't. You have to write do not instead of don't. So it is instead of it's. Okay. Next, inserting numbers instead of words. Like in a word or a sentence, you cannot write the numbers. You have to write the words, full words in numbers. Like recent research shows that only 2 out of 10. Here you have to write in words, TW, 2 out of TEN, 10. You cannot put the numbers in a sentence. You can lose your marks. Well, combining two complete sentences with a comma. Don't combine two complete sentences with a comma. It's a wrong format. We think it's a standard English, but you have to know the perfect use, how to combine two sentences with a comma, and those are not complete sentences. So don't try to do this. It's another mistakes. We all are used to do this. Well, adding s or es to uncountable nouns. You cannot do write in you cannot add s or es in uncountable nouns. You cannot write the direct plural form of it. Okay, you cannot write the direct plural form. For example, I have shown you here like advice, information, research. Those things are uncountable nouns. So let's see. Here is example. You cannot write recent researchers have shown. You have to write recent research has shown. You have to write in singular verb. You cannot plural with you cannot add is or is here. Like you cannot write 3 advices I would give. You have to write 3 pieces of advice. So don't try to add is or is directly in those uncountable nouns. It's really another mistake. You can write a number of information. You have to like a lot of information shows. So here are the examples. Well, now I have shown some examples of like where you need to put the option. You have to use it correctly. So here are some rules. Use the before places where the name refers to a group of island or states, like the USA, the UK, the Middle East, the UAE. You can use the incremental numbers. The first day of the month, the second survey shows. Well, the superlative words you can use the like the shortest, the longest, the lowest, the highest. Well, you know, you can use the now where when you are talking about a specific person or a specific place or things, the government of India, the government of USA, the river in Calcutta. Other thing is if there is a singular thing, which is the only one thing in the entire world, like the internet, the environment, the ozone layer, the atmosphere. Where here are the links where I have collected all information for you. So thank you very much for watching.